Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to take backup in Wix website. Just open your Wix dashboard and scroll down below and choose Content Manager. And as you can see here, click the More Actions and choose Backups from the options. And click Add Backup. And here, as you can see, I have successfully created the backup file. Then if you want to restore or to delete the backup file, click the delete icon here if you want to delete the file or the backup file, or restore the backup file by clicking restore. Okay, that's it guys. I hope this video helps you a lot. Thank you.